and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with a plan with me in my classic happy planner for the week of August 20th through August 26th. Now, reminder, I will be traveling with work again this week, so this spread will be very functional. But before I get started, I wanted to share with you guys this travel half sheet. And notice that cute little girl. Those are two stamps or three stamps that came from the LOL collection. So the glasses with the lashes that says Lady Boss, the Babe You Got This, and the washi tape there all came from LOL. I've already gone in and written down my list of everything that I need to take. Want to make sure I don't forget anything. But I wanted to make sure I shared this with you guys. Is that not absolutely the cutest? I love how that stamp came out. It came out real clear and concise, and I can't wait to use it in future spreads. I grabbed the sticky note cardstock combo productivity book. That's the latest one that just came out from Joann's. And I put down that it's the weekend sticker because it has all the colors there that I want to use. And I also do not use sticky notes this week, but I used a half sheet to write down everything I needed to get done. You'll notice that I am using some of those time strips from this sticker book, but I'll just cut off the portion that I actually need. But I use one in every color that's available in the book, and the portion that I don't use, I put back in the book. So I also put down a few little asterisks, and that just means that I have a couple of things I need to get done there. I flip back through and I come across a don't forget header, which I lay that down on Wednesday, along with a little hexagon to remind me of something I need to take care of. As I'm flipping through the book, I'm just grabbing stickers that fit with the spread and go with what I need to get done. So finally, I will get this little planner checklist here, and I remove that and just reposition it further down. And then I get this direction sticker to signify when I return home from my trip, and then a gold sticky note. And of course, no spread is complete without the colorful boxes sticker book. So I grabbed that out, and I grabbed the gold box, a gold checklist, and a green checklist. And then I flip through the productivity book and I find a green header just to add a couple of pops of green to the spread. And then you'll see me put that green checklist down from colorful boxes. Now I'm seeking a quote of some kind to put down. So I flip back through the productivity book. I don't find one that quite matches, but I get one from the Brights combo sticker book that says Happy Girls Shine Brightest. And guess what? It has all the colors in my spread in the form of polka dots. So I put that in. And then I grab 5-star quotes. And you'll see me flipping through trying to find just the perfect saying or affirmation to match my spread or draw my spread out. So I end up landing with one that said, kind heart, fierce mind, and brave spirit. And certainly going out this week and what I have to do when I go to this site, I'm going to need to be kind and fierce and brave in order to get something that seems unsurmountable completed. But I can do this. So this is going to be a good old time opening up my planner this week. Now that all of our decor is down, isn't she so cute in that corner? I love how that Paper Studios 3D Girls turned out there. I'm just writing in my plans for this week. And you'll notice that each day I do have a timestamp sticker, and that is because I want to stay on a very strict schedule during the week that I'm out of town. I flip back through the productivity book and I grab another asterisk to make a correction there. and I continue to lay those plans down. So it is going to be quite the busy week, trying to keep on top of a lot of things that I have going on at home, as well as what I'll have going on in Virginia while I'm there. So I know with my planner in hand, I will be able to check multiple things off. And I grabbed another asterisk to put down another plan and filling out as much of the spread as I can. All done, and this is our completed spread for the week of August 20th through the 26th, and I absolutely love how it turned out. That little girl there in the sidebar, she's giving me life, and I like how everything blended all together, the stickers to the quotes, and I'm using for the first time those time stickers, but I really need that this week to keep me focused and on task. So I definitely will let you guys know what I think about it. So how could we not forget this travel half sheet, again with those girl boss stickers from the LOL stamping set. I think the next thing that I'm going to do to shake things up a bit is I'm going to do a stamping only spread. Not that I'm that good at stamping, but I definitely have some new stamps that I really want to try out. So overall, I'm very pleased with this spread, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Reminder, I used this productivity coordinated sticky note cardstock combo, and I used the LOL pen to write down my actual plans. So if you enjoyed this plan with me this week, you know I need you to give me a thumbs up so that I know to keep it up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel where I try to, try things. And if you have any suggestions to spice things up, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Well, guys, I have a lot to get done and a big week ahead of me. So you guys have a great, happy, and productive week. Ciao, Bella.